Who is the poet of famous song, Band Utkal Janani? A. Fakir Mohan Senapati. B. Lakshmi Kanta Mohapatra. C. Radhakanta Ray. D. Gopabandhu Dash. Answer is B. Lakshmi Kanta Mohapatra. Who is the author of the book, My Journey, Transforming Dreams into Action? A. Drive. Manmohan Singh. B. Jairam Ramesh. C. Drive. APJ Abdul Kalam. D. Malala Yousafzai. Answer is C. Drive. APJ Abdul Kalam. How is the eminent person, Tenzin Gyatso, known as? A. Panchen Lama. B. Nagarjuna. C. Dalai Lama. D. Rinpoche. Answer is C. Dalai Lama. Who is the winner of Wimbledon Tennis Boys Singles Junior Championship 2021? A. S. Gemard Weyenberg. B. Samir Banerjee. C. Victor Layev. D. Juneheng Shank. Answer is B. Samir Banerjee. Which of the following is the largest water lake in Odisha? A. Ansupa. B. Chilika. C. Pata. D. Kanjia. Answer is A. Ansupa. In which year did India win the first gold medal in hockey at Olympic Games before independence? A. 1910. B. 1920. C. 1928. D. 1945. Answer is 1928. In which district of Orissa is the Central Rice Research Institute situated? A. Khordha. B. Cuttack. C. Sambalpur. D. Koraput. Answer is Cuttack. In acronym SARC, what does C stand for? A. Committee. B. Commonwealth. C. Conference. D. Cooperation. Answer is D. Cooperation. Which of the following is the headquarters of World Trade Organization, WTO? A. Paris. B. New York. C. Geneva. D. Madrid. Answer is C. Geneva. How many members from Orissa are elected to Lok Sabha? A. 14. B. 15. C. 18. D. 21. Answer is D. 21. Which of the following countries is not a member of United Nations, UNO? A. South Africa. B. Palestine. C. Israel. D. Cuba. Answer is B. Palestine. What is Wall Street? A. Stock Exchange of Calcutta. B. Stock Exchange of New York. C. An Indian township in Britain. D. None of these. Answer is B. Stock Exchange of New York. United Nations, UNO, celebrates International Day of Yoga globally on which date? A. March 8. B. May 8. C. June 5. D. June 21st. Answer is D. June 21st. Which of the following districts of Orissa has stopped in production of turmeric? A. Ganjam. B. Mayurbhanj. C. Kandhamal. D. Sundargarh. Answer is C. Kandhamal. Who was the Viceroy of India when Muslim League called for the Direct Action Day? A. Lord Ripon. B. Lord Minto E. C. Lord Linlithgow. D. Lord Wavell. Answer is D. Lord Wavell. Who was the first Governor General of India? A. Lord Minto. B. Lord William Bentinck. C. Warren Hastings. D. M. Cornwallis. Answer is B. Lord William Bentinck. What were the names of Ashoka's mother, wife and daughter? A. Mahadevi, Subhadrangi, Sanghmitra. B. Subhadrangi, Mahadevi, Sanghmitra. C. Mahadevi, Sanghmitra, Subhadrangi. D. Subhadrangi, Subhadrangi, Mahadevi. Answer is B. Subhadrangi, Mahadevi, Sanghmitra. Initially, Queen Elizabeth I approved the charter to the East India Company for how many years? A. 5 years. B. 7 years. C. 10 years. D. 15 years. Answer is D. 15 years. Panchatantra was written by whom? A. Kalidas. B. Vishnu Sharma. C. Tusadas. D. Biena Bhatta. Answer is B. Vishnu Sharma. Mohenjo-Daro is also known as A. Mound of the Great. B. Mount of the Survivors. C. Mount of the Living. D. Mount of the Dead. Answer is D. Mount of the Dead. The infamous Jallianwala Bagh massacre happened on which festival day? A. Holi. B. Baisakhi. C. Raksha Bandhan. D. Lohari. Answer is B. Baisakhi. Which among the following dynasty was ruling over Magadha when Alexander invaded India? A. Shisunagas. B. Nanda. C. Mauryas. D. Koshalas. Answer is B. Nanda. The lengthiest classical epic of India? A. Bhagavad Gita. B. Ramayana. C. Gita Govinda. D. Mahabharat. Answer is D. Mahabharat. Odyssey dancers in Jagannath temple are called as A. Mahari. B. Palasi. Gotipua. D. Patua. Answer is A. Mahari.